Welcome to our lesson, Unit 9, Numbers. This lesson will focus on understanding spoken numbers, prefaces, myths, and this. Models are possibility, could and might. Sentence stress, content words, and expressing understanding. Let's start the lesson with a question. How do you use numbers in your daily life? I want you to think of the question for about 3 minutes and share your idea with your friends. Let's discuss these questions with your classmates. How do you feel about math? Is it easy or difficult for you? And would you like to learn more about math? Why or why not? I want you to work with your friend for about 5 minutes and answer these 2 questions. Now we move to vocabulary. In this section, we will learn some new words in the listening one. First, listen and then repeat. False, stick, complaint, childhood, memory, smile. Again, false, stick, complaint, childhood, memory, smile. Now read the definitions, then write the letter to each definition in front of the correct sentence. Here are the answers. 1C. False. To make someone do something he or she doesn't want to do. 2F. Stick. A thin piece of wood from a tree. 3B. Complaint. Statement that you're not happy or satisfied with something. 4A. Childhood. Time when a person is a child. 5D. Memory. Something you remember, something you stay in your mind. 6E. Smile. To have an expression on your face that shows happiness. Preview listening 1. Personal numbers. You are going to hear a group of people on a radio program talking about numbers that have special meaning for them. What kinds of numbers do you think they will talk about? Write 3 ideas. Now listen to the radio program. Circle the answer that best completes each statement. Listen again. Match each number with the correct phrase. Listening skill. Understanding spoken numbers. 1,300. Another way we can say 1,300. 2,500. Another ways we can say 2,500. In numbers larger than 100, a word "and" is often added. "And" doesn't change the meaning. 135. 412. The word point is used for decimal point. 100.2. 98.6. Listen to the speech. Write the number for each item you hear. You can work with a friend and then practice saying the numbers. Let's move to vocabulary skill. Prefix, miss, and this. A prefix is a word or syllable placed before a word. The prefix changes the meaning of base word in some way. The prefix this means done in the wrong way. For example, mislead means to give someone the wrong idea or opinion about something. Lead them in the wrong direction. The prefix this is negative prefix. It means not. For example, dishonest means not honest. Như vậy, trong phần kỹ năng từ vựng này, chúng ta sẽ học về hai tiền tố miss và dis. Tiền tố là một từ hoặc âm tiết được đặt ngay trước một từ. Tiền tố thay đổi nghĩa của từ gốc. Và trong phần này, chúng ta sẽ tập trung vào hai tiền tố là tiền tố dis và miss. Look at the words in the box. Add the prefix miss or dis to the word and write them in the chart. You can use a dictionary to help you. I want you to use the words in activity A and complete each sentence with the correct word. Now move to grammar. Modal verb could and might. We use modal verbs could and might not express possibility in the future. For example, talking on a cell phone while driving could cause an accident. However, might and might not are strictly opposites, but could and could not have very different meanings from each other. Could not means that something is impossible. For example, eating ice cream couldn't cause someone to drown. Như vậy, trong phần ngữ pháp này, chúng ta sẽ học về hai modal verb, đó là could và từ might. Modal verb could, might và might not thể hiện cái khả năng có thể xảy ra trong tương lai. Từ might not ngược nghĩa với từ might. Tuy nhiên, từ could not và could thì nghĩa lại khác nhau hoàn toàn. Could not có nghĩa là một điều gì đó là không thể. Now listen to the sentences. Complete each sentence with the modal in here. Let's move to pronunciation section. Sentence checks. Content words. Content words are the words that carry the meaning of the sentence. They are usually nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Content words receive more stress than function words. This means that they are a little louder and sometimes longer than function words. Listen to the stretches in these sentences. As a kid, I got a digital clock for my birthday one year. Trong phần về phát âm này, chúng ta sẽ học về trọng âm trong một câu. Content words, những từ chỉ về nội dung. Content word là những từ mà mang nghĩa của câu. Content word có thể là danh từ, động từ, tính từ và trạng từ. Content words nhận được trọng âm nhiều hơn so với những từ function words. Điều đó có nghĩa là function word là những từ sẽ được phát âm nhỏ hơn và ngắn hơn, còn content words sẽ là những từ được phát âm to hơn và dài hơn. Let's practice. Listen to the sentences. Underline the content words. Practice saying the sentences with a partner. Discuss any sentences you don't understand. Speaking skill. Expressing understanding. It's very important to let people know that you understand what they are saying. This is true in classroom discussions and informal conversations. There are some ways to express understanding. Look at the speaker and nod your head and make other gestures that show understanding. Or is short sounds or words like huh, yeah, yes. Or use or ask questions to clarify details. Then say one of these sentences. I see. I understand. I know what you mean. I get it. Now listen to this part of listening one and answer the questions. This is the end of the lesson. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.